What am I doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I am single. Oh my God, what does my mother say? Do you want to talk about something serious for a minute? Let's talk about kratom for a minute. Like, you know that I'm in recovery from opiate addiction. 10 years for me. I never did kratom. But it's everywhere, right? Like, it is literally everywhere. You can buy it at 7-Eleven. My friend's daughter is fully addicted. And sick, like dope sick, like opiate sick. That is fucking crazy. They're banning it in Kansas. Like, when are they going to ban it everywhere, though? It's so crazy. Like, it's so accessible. Like, I don't even think you have to be 18 to buy it. She's like in her 20s. I'm not saying that she's a child, but well, hopefully it's like going to be banned everywhere. She smokes weed. Like, I don't know, she smokes too, but like, I don't think it helps you that quick. Like, I'm California sober. I have a medical card. I use marijuana regularly. And it is prescribed to me for opiate use disorder. So yeah, I agree. I get it. But I didn't like start using it again until I was 3 years abstinent from everything. I needed to really detox my system from everything before I reintroduced it. I don't know that it will really help to get off of it, you know. California clean. But does anyone have any suggestions? Does anyone know anyone that's been through it? I don't know. Like, my friend is also in recovery. We were in the halfway house together. That's how we met. We're exactly the same age. She has a 20-year-old daughter, 20-something-year-old daughter.